Hello everyone and welcome to a quick unboxing at Gadgets 360, and today we are going to go ahead and unbox the Nubia Red Magic. This is going to be a quick unboxing, and the phone we have with us is the Red Magic. Now this is by Nubia, a company that we have seen good smartphones, good camera smartphones from, and it looks like this is a gaming smartphone from Nubia, and like the tagline says, game time anytime, and that's the interesting bit. Let's go through the specifications quickly. Now it does mention a 6-inch Full HD display. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, which is a little odd considering it's the last year's flagship processor and it's not an 845. It has a 24 megapixel rear camera, a big 3800 mAh battery. It also says distinctive RGB light, so that's what we can expect from the gaming phone. Without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. And this is the Red Magic from Nubia. I'll keep the box aside. Now this is the smartphone. It's got a metal build. It's actually cool to the touch. Power volume buttons to the right. It has a different button, a red colored button on the side. It looks a lot like the alert slider on the OnePlus 6 devices, but this is a game boost mode. It's a button for game boost mode, which means it will probably ramp up the CPU, I'm guessing. That said, this has a USB Type-C port at the bottom and RGB lighting at the back. So that is what is unique. Now with most other gaming phones, we have seen the same thing. It has a 24 megapixel primary camera, big 3800 mAh battery and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Just quickly power that up. So let's look at the contents of the box while the phone is booting up. You get a couple of documentation. Lots of Red Magic stickers, so you can stick it on stuff, letting people know that you have a Red Magic gaming phone. Warranty documentation. I have a SIM ejector tool. You've got a USB Type A to Type C cable and a charger in the box. So this is a quick charger, which means that it can do 18 watts of charging. Now this has 15 watt and 18 watt of charging. It looks like this will be able to charge the phone quickly, and that's about it. There's nothing else in the box, so we're going to keep the charger and the cable aside, as well as the stickers, and take a look at the device. Let's quickly go ahead, set it up. No mobile SIM. Let's take a look at the back. This is where it's at. You have an RGB light at the back, which can reproduce pretty much 16 million colors, and that is the unique thing about the smartphone. It is also curved at the back. It's angled, because of which when you keep it on a flat surface, it does rock a little. I'm going to finish the setup. We've got a slim, sleek vertical fingerprint scanner. Very quick to register the finger. It looks like it comes with a pre-applied screen protector, since there's no tab to pull it out. So this is what the Nubia Red Magic gaming smartphone looks like. Let's check what software it's running. Now as you can see, it's pretty much stock. It does not have a lot of apps pre-installed. So it does run on Android 8.1 Oreo with, I guess, Nubia's customizations on top. Now there's one other setting that we did see is the multicolor LED stripe. You can customize it for an incoming call to show a cool effect when it's charging, and also for notifications. So when the screen is off and you get notifications, the RGB light will light up. So let's talk specifications of the Nubia Red Magic. This has a Snapdragon 835 processor that is clocked at 2.45 GHz. You have 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. We'll quickly check the SIM tray slot and see if it has expandable storage. So it only has 2 nano SIM slots. It does not look like it has expandable storage. So that's about it. I think you'll have to live with the 128 GB of internal storage that you get with the device. So Nubia Red Magic has a 5.99 inch Full HD Plus display, and it does have 2.5D curved glass on top. It has a 24 megapixel primary camera at the back and an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. Powering the phone is a 3800 mAh battery that can be charged via the USB Type-C port at the bottom. And that was the unboxing of the Nubia Red Magic. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.